Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are completely new, I will leave you a complete tutorial about this broker, how to invest money on this broker and how to open an account, a real account or a demo account or practice account. I have my practice account here so that I can practice with it, and I also have my real account with almost $1,000. Today we will trade with this real account. Okay, so we will trade $10 per trade. $10. So if you are new, you can see that tutorial. It's a complete tutorial on how to open an account step by step, and all you have to know about this broker I will show you there. Okay, so guys, remember to subscribe to this channel and comment any question or doubt that you have below this video. Okay, so let's start here, guys. What we can see here is that we have a general trend, which is an upper trend. We can see here that we have an uptrend. Okay, but here we have like it's a range. This is a range. What we are going to do is we are going to place our support and resistance level on the higher and the lower lows. Okay, let me check. Here we have the lower low. Okay, we will also put this level as a resistance level and also this one. So whenever one of those levels are broken, we can make an entry. Okay, I will show you how. Let me do the same here. Let's do the same. Let's place everything. All the levels that we can see on the chart, we can place them. Okay, and as you can see here, the price is going up. Okay, now we need to put another level. This is a high that the price made before that candlestick. If the current candlestick, I mean this one, close above this level, we can make an up entry, a call option, but it didn't. As you can see, it didn't. Anyway, I will place an alert here just in case the price breaks that level. You can see here that the price made another low that we need to put a support level. Let me also put an alert here on this resistance level. Something else that we can do is, okay, here we go. The price already broke this level. It broke this resistance level. I just need to wait until this candlestick close, and I will make a call option. Oh, do you see where that trade executed? He had a delay, but it's okay. I think we can win. We can win this one. Oh, let me check. Let me check what is happening here. let me place that alert again. Alert. Okay guys, let's wait here. I think we can win this one. We can win this one, or we can also lose. Remember, the market can do whatever it wants. Guys, we won this trade and we almost have $1,000, guys. $1,000. Okay guys, so let's do it. Let me check. We have another resistance levels here, so if the price keep going up, okay, we can wait until the price touch this level to make another entry. Okay, let's just wait. Okay guys, it's almost there. Okay, let me see here this alert. Oh yeah, remember, we can make another entry after this candlestick close. Here we go again. 2 is another entry like that. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for this one. This one is good. It might be good. Yeah. Hey, do you see? Do you see where my trade got executed? Because of the confirm button. Really important. I think we can win this one too. We can see here that the price broke this level too, but it was not a good breakout because of this week. It had a week, small week, but it was not that good. But it's okay. I think we can win this trade too. Okay, let me check something else. Yeah, it's a good entry. Even though this candlestick, I mean the candlestick that broke this level had a week. It broke this level and closed above this level. I mean it closed above, right here, close above this level. That's what we want for this trading strategy. Remember that we are trading the breakouts with this strategy. Guys, we already reached the $1,000 on trading. Okay. Guys, you can also do this if you want. It's just pay attention and try to be disciplined, following the same rules. Never break the rules, okay? So guys, I think that would be all for today. That would be all for today, and if you have any question, any doubt, let me know. Let me see if we can make another entry here before I leave. But I need to know that this area is a resistance area too. So I need to be very careful. Anyway. No. Didn't have time enough. Okay, let me check this one. This one is almost broken to this level. It's a resistance level. It might be a good opportunity for us to make another trade. In this case, call option. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. I think I made the entry too high, guys. It's too high. I mean too high because It's very close to the next level, so that's not very good. We need to make the entry with space enough for the price to go up, but it's okay. I think we can also win this one. Remember, let me talk let me tell you why I made this entry. I made this entry because of this level. I'm waiting for this level to be broken since here, okay? Didn't broke, didn't break, and this candlestick broke the level. Okay, just missing 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and we won, guys. Guys, that's it for today. Have a great day, and if any question, remember to join us on our group and visit a new website, tradingtoearn.com. You can find strategy and the latest news about trading too. Okay, very simple and very interesting blog. And this is our group. This is our group. Here we share files, videos, and pictures about trading. Okay, guys, I see you later.